Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change name on Yelp. Alright, just a quick heads up here, you can't do it on the Yelp app. All you need to do is just open up your phone's web browser or your desktop's web browser, alright, and go to yelp.com. Now once you're in here, make sure to log in. Now once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile right here at the top right. Then go to the About Me section. Alright, click on it. This page will load. Now what we're going to do next is just go ahead and click on Edit Profile below our profile picture, right? Click on it. This page will pop up. So what we're going to do here is just delete our first name and delete the last name, all right? So for example, I'm gonna add in Answer Asap, all right, which is the channel's name. So if you want to, you can go ahead and add your nickname right here, all right? If not, you can erase this. Select the gender, of course, your headline, things you love, find me, and etc. If you don't want to fill this up, just go ahead and just scroll down until you find this Save Changes button. Click on it, and that will be the next page, which will show a prompt. Are you sure you want to do that? All right. Yelp is all about real people and real reviews. You can change your name, but keep in mind that thousands of people come to Yelp to find your useful, funny, and cool reviews. Changing your name may make it harder for them to find and benefit from your opinionated opinions. All right, so as the title suggests, let's go ahead and click on Change My Real Name right here. Once done, just hit on Save and wait for the website to load. All right, as you can see here, great, your profile has been updated. Now go ahead and go to your profile again and hit the About Me section. Now once done, as you can see here, we have just changed our name on Yelp. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.